What is the chapter number?
7.
7.
Okay. I have muted you all. When you want to ask anything, you must have to raise your hand and you can use your expression to tell me that whether you understand my lecture or not. Because I will see you all by your face. That's why I'm opening your cameras. Rija, Amna, Saqib, everyone open your camera. If you understand my lecture and I will ask to you, when I ask to you, you must have to show by your face. And if you don't understand, if you want to ask anything, you have to raise your hand, okay? And then I'll unmute you, and then you can ask any question. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, Rafi. Let me unmute you. Yes, Rafi.
मिस आपकी आवाज तो ठीक से नहीं आ रही।
सर आप अपना वॉल्यूम टेस्ट करें। इसके वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करें कंप्यूटर का। Okay, dear. Can you tell me? Can you hear me clearly? Just show me by your face. Okay. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Aryan, mute yourself. Amna Sheikh, mute yourself. Rija, you also mute, please. Yeah, I can't receive any call right now because I'm in class. So if anybody of you are calling me, so please don't call me right now. Just join my class. After everyone, please mute your mic. Okay. This is your chapter number 7. I have explained you a brief overview about the starting Excel 2013. You know how the screen works. You know what are the features of MS Excel screen. I've explained the parts of the windows of MS Excel, and today I will tell you how to work on it. You know what is Excel? You know, everyone knows it, okay? In the previous lecture, we have learned that how the quick access toolbar works, how we open it, but I'm again giving you a little overview about it. Now I'm sharing my screen with you. Fatma, please open your camera. To go for Excel sheet, we first have to press start button, then we have to go all program, then we have to click Microsoft Excel, and from Microsoft Excel, we can click Excel, okay? We have a blank sheet over here. We have a template over here as well, but we choose blank worksheet for Excel work. You all know this is quick access toolbar, and just beside the quick access toolbar, we have the title bar where we can write our name. If we want to save a file by our name, we can save it by clicking and saving it with our name. Okay. Then this is the menu bar in which we have different tabs, and when we click any tabs, we can have a list of menu which is used for making our document. Here we have a broad line of list which is called a ribbon. Okay. Then I told you that this is the name box. Whenever I click on any of the box, it shows the name in the name box. Okay. Their name will be shown over here. Okay. And this is the formula bar. Whatever we write on any active cell is a cell where we write anything. Okay. When we write anything on the active cell, it shows on the formula bar. Okay. This is sheet 1. We can add more sheet by clicking on it. This one is new sheet tab. When we click on it, we can have new sheet over here. Okay, let me refresh my computer and then I will start. Here you can see. Now we are working on sheet 1 right now. I will tell you how to merge cell. Okay, merge cell means if we want to make a heading. Okay, if I want to make a heading, so I can merge the cell. How I merge the cell? First I will select 1, 2, 3, 4. I select these 4 boxes. Okay, and then I'll go for the home option, home tab option. In the home tab option, we are having a merge cell, merge and center cell. Okay, I click on it and then I click on the merge cell. Now you can see that in this cell we don't have uh, any grid or grid lines in front. यहाँ पे कोई grid lines नहीं है. It is just a single box. We don't have any more boxes inside this selected cell. Okay. Now I am making the border of it to show you clearly. This is the thick border which I selected. Have you seen this border over here? Have you seen this border? Please show me by your hello. Yes, dear. Please show me by your face that is understand what I have explained. That how to merge cell. You understand how to merge cell, dear? Yes, Danya. Do you understand? Or should I repeat it again? Okay, I'm repeating it again. Now take a look. Okay. Now this is the cell. Those who joined us late, please take a look. I'm showing you how to merge your cell. Okay. Now I'm again selecting this cell like this. Okay. Now I'm going for the home tab for merging cell, and this is the merge cell option which we use for merge cell. Okay. Merge in center भी कर सकते हैं. Merge cell करेंगे तो सिर्फ आपका merge होगा. Merge in center means whatever you write over here, it shows in the center. Okay. For example, I'm making time table of 2 stars. Okay. Right now I'm not showing you how to save it, but I have made it. ठीक है. मैंने एक हेडिंग बनाई है. सेलेक्ट किया पहले सेल को, फिर यहाँ से मर्ज और सेंटर के ऑप्शन पे गए. होम टैब के अंदर यहाँ पर मर्ज एंड सेंटर का ऑप्शन है. Whatever we write by selecting this, it comes on the center. Merge across. Whatever we write to selecting this, it will shows on the right side. ठीक है. It shows from the right side, and when we press merge cell, we must have to select merge cell, and after selecting this merge cell, we must have to write. If you want to write any heading over here, you must select the single central line. Okay. After selecting this one, we go for the heading, the border. We choose thick box border. Okay, thick box border, or we could also go for the more border option. When we click on the more border option, we have a list of styles. Okay. Also, we have the list of colors. If you want to change any color, for example, if I want to change dark blue color, so I choose from here. We can change the style of the border by selecting this one. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Outline border चाहिए तो outline border के लिए, and then I click it. You can see this. Have you seen this? How we add them? Okay, please don't write anything by yourself. Right, like this. या आप लोग जो भी लिखते हैं ये देखिए. Please don't press anything. आप लोगों की जो भी आप वहाँ पे लिख रहे होते हैं, उसकी वजह से मेरी स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पे शो हो रहा है. ओके, मुझे आप लोगों को इसके लिए पॉज करना होगा. वेट अ मिनट. Yes. Yes, I can. Okay. Let me back for the lecture again. Now, just get back to the Excel sheet again. Okay. We have made a border and we also selected the merge cell option. We have selected a border, thick border. Okay. I told you that if you want to change your border styles, you can go for more border option. You have a list of borders. You can change the alignment, font, border, fill, protection, anything from this side. Okay. So now, right now, I'm not changing anything. I'm just selecting this one, and I have selected the thick border option over here. Now, merge cell भी select करा हमने और merge center कर दिया. Now I'm writing over here timetable of Zoom class. After that, I'm selecting these rows, okay? Just for tell you how to make it, okay? After selecting this, I again go for the border and I select all border option, okay? Now you can see we have another border option and it has all the borders, all the active cell visible over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I told you in the previous lecture, the horizontal line which we have with the ABCD, it is called the columns, and the vertical line the vertical line which I'm having like A, B, C, D, E, F. This is called the columns, and the horizontal line like 1, 2, 3. जितने भी cell इस तरीके से आ रहा है, right? It is called the rows. Okay, this is called the columns. This is called the rows. ये जो ABCD में आ रहा होता है, it always called the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4 में जो आ रहा होता है, it is called the rows. Okay. Now we selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay. Now, first of all, I'll make a portion of serial number, and I select by this option. Have you seen this arrows? से हम इसकी जो हमारी साइज है इस कॉलम का, तो हमने सीरियल नंबर के छोटा कर दिया. Now I'm having another option in which you can write serial number. Okay, we are making timetable. So I'm making timetable with the name of the teachers, okay, and their subject, okay, and the duration. So please don't write anything on my screen. Don't write anything on your screen as well. Okay? Rub it. Hurry up. Rub it. Those who write this, please rub it. And don't try to write anything on your screen. Teacher's name. Okay, you can see the teacher's name is not coming in a single active cell. जो हमारा cell होता है the single cell. This is called the active cell, and this is a single cell. We cannot write teacher's name over here. We can also change the size of the column by selecting this one. You can increase the size by pressing it, and then in another column, I'm writing subject, duration, in which class starts from and ending from. Now serial number 1. For example, I write Miss Laiba's name. Miss Laiba सब्जेक्ट है इनका जीके, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 11 AM and from 11:30 AM. Okay, this is how we add it. Okay, if I want to change the alignment of these cells, I can select by pressing. We can also select by pressing the left button of mouse, and we can also select by the keyboard. For example, I select shift button, I press shift button, and I'm pushing the down side and the left side of the arrow button. Okay, it will select it. We are on the home tab option. Now I'm clicking the center alignment. It puts it in the center. Okay. Now in the second option, I select my. I'm writing my name. Then my subject. The starting time is इसको हम 12 कर देते हैं. 12 AM, and after that 12:30 AM. Then in the third option, Saveria. The subject is science, and our class starts from 10. Okay, one thing. I have written it 12:30 AM. It's wrong, it's PM. And it's also PM. Now, 10:30 AM. Please don't write anything on your screen. Robert, hurry up. 10:30 AM. This is how we make timetable in Excel. Okay. I can also show you that how we merge. This is the merge cell option. I will show you if your name comes. For example, अगर हम यहाँ पे नाम लिख रहे हैं नीचे, if you want to add any column, if you want to insert any row over here, if you want to add any row over here, what we have to do is we just have to select it. We have to right click over here. Then we have to go for the insert option, entire row, और आपको यहाँ पे एक अगर ऐड करना है इंसर्ट एंटायर रो, आपने क्लिक की, जहाँ पे आपने क्लिक करके एंटायर रो को ऐड किया, उसके वहाँ पर इस तरह से ऑप्शन आ गया. ये देखिए, एंटायर रो, एंटायर कॉलम. if you want to add entire column, so you can press on the entire column, but I want to add entire row, so I just selected entire row option. This will appear. Okay, now I am selecting this one, and I want to cut it from this side and pasted it over here like this. Okay, और नीचे गए, यहाँ पे जाने के बाद हमने फिर एक और रॉ ऐड करनी है. मैं आपको दोबारा करके दिखा रही हूँ. एंटायर रॉ सेलेक्ट कर इधर, यहाँ पर आ गई हमारी एक और रॉ. ठीक है, एम्प्टी रॉ आ गई. यहाँ पर हमने इसको 3 किया, यहाँ पे ऐड किया. मैं सीधा ज़ुबैर का नहीं. Okay, if I want to write any other teacher name जो कि थोड़ा बड़ा हो, for example मैं खुद से नाम बता देती हूँ. For example, we add Sumbul Khan Afridi. Okay, you can see that when we write Sumbul Khan Afridi, it will not show in a single cell. So what I will do is I select this one, and then I'm again going for the home tab, and we have an option. Okay, those who raise their hands, I will unmute you, beta Danish, and who else? Danish, I'll unmute you, beta. Just wait for a while. मुझे ये lecture finish करने से फिर मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ क्या problem है. ठीक है? Now I'm selecting this one, Please don't write anything. Hurry up. Robert. सुम्बुल खान को सेलेक्ट करा मैंने और यहाँ पे जाके रेप टेक्स्ट पे क्लिक कर दिया. जैसी रेप टेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करूंगी, यू कैन सी, जैसी मैं रेप टेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करूंगी, ये देखिए आपका जो सिलेक्टेड सेल है जो हमने यहाँ सेलेक्ट करा होगा. When I click on the rep text, it comes like this. आपका ये जो सेल होगा ये हमारी पूरी की पूरी रॉ इस नाम की वजह से इसका साइज इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके, you understand why we use merge cell and why we write by the active cell? Okay, why we use merge cell and why we use rep text. Rep text is used to write a big name in a single cell just by selecting it. एक मैं एग्जांपल यहाँ पर भी करके दिखा रही हूँ आपको. यहाँ पर मैं नाम लिख रही हूँ शाहिद खान अफरीदी. ठीक है, when I press it, it will not come in a single cell. What I will do is first I will select it and go for the home tab option, and then I'll click rep text option. You can see Shahid Khan Afridi come in a single cell and with a broader row. Okay, this is how we use rep text. Understand everyone? How we use rep text and how we use merge cell. समझ आई सबके? How we have to insert borders, how we have to make selection for the heading for the merge cell. Merge cell कैसे करेंगे, यहाँ पे किस तरीके से इंक्रीज करेंगे, डिक्रीज करेंगे. आप चाहें तो यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं अपनी रॉस को इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, बट द बेसिक एंड द proper pattern by using your cells, by increasing your cell is to go for the rep text to increase the width of your cell. Okay, understand? अच्छा, एक चीज ये देखिए, यहाँ पर हमने सेलेक्ट करा इनका नाम मिस शाहिद, इनका फॉर एग्जांपल इनका सब्जेक्ट है इंग्लिश. ओके, मिस सुम्बुल का सब्जेक्ट है इंग्लिश. ओके, whatever I am writing in the active cell, you can see that it is also visible in the formula bar. Okay, have you seen this? फॉर्मूला बार पे आ रहा है इंग्लिश. अब यहाँ पे मैं इनका नाम टाइम दे देती हूँ 9 o'clock. You can see whatever I am writing in the selected cell, which is called the active cell, it always comes, and you can also see everything which is I am writing on the active cell. It is also visible in the formula bar. Have you seen this? Yes, I want to see your faces here. Can you understand? Please show me by your face. Yes, Ansar. Yes, Fatma, do you understand? Abhiya, sit properly. This is your class going on. Yes, Abdullah Farhan, do you understand, beta? Rahim, Tanya. Please, everyone, open your cameras. I want to see everyone. Rahim, do you understand? Okay, Tanya, thanks for the thumbs up. Yes. Danish, you understand? I haven't seen you, Danish. Where's your video? Open your video, Danish. Open your video, Danya. Hurry up. Okay. I'm unmuting you all for the questions. Stop sharing this. Okay, we are going out from the time. Hurry up. I'm unmuting you all so that you can easily ask the question. चलें, आप लोग अपने आप को वन बाय वन अनम्यूट करें. हरी अप. यस
टीचर,
यस,
अगर हमें एक्सेल में कलर लगाना हो तो हम कैसे लगाएंगे?
if you want to color the active cell or the selected cell, which या तो अगर हमें border में color लगाना हो, so I showed you that we go for the more border option, then we can change the color of the border. If you want to color the selected heading, so you can also change it by the home tab. I will show you how to do this in the next class. Right now we are running out from the time, so I will show you how to do this. Okay, dear?
Yes.
Next question.
Allah Hafiz.
No, right, not right now. जब तक हमारी क्लास चल रही है, we are just Waiting for the question
मिस
more.
क्लास का टाइम खत्म हो चुका है.
G, I know. Rija? Yes. Sanan. Yes, Sanan, ask your question. Hurry up.
Rahim 2 p.m.
Yes, Sanan, unmute you dear. अपने आप को unmute करें. And ask your
What
question.
is the homework?
The homework is to make any table of your choice. Okay? Choose any of the
What
topic.
teacher?
आपको जैसे मैंने अभी मर्ज सेल और रेफ्लेक्स करना सिखाया है, ठीक है, और यू कैन मेक एनी टेबल ऑफ योर चॉइस. आप टाइम टेबल बनाएं, आप वर्कशीट बनाएं, या फिर आप कोई भी मैच का स्कोर बनाएं, ठीक है, कोई सी भी टेबल आपने बनाना. दिस इज योर असाइनमेंट. आई विल अपलोड इट इन योर
मिस
होमवर्क.
हम टाइम टेबल बना सकते हैं अपनी जूम मीटिंग का.
Yes, anything. But I would like to see how you merge cell, how you wrap text, okay? And if you want to change the color of the border, which I have explained you in this lecture, you can also change the color of the. Yes. Any question, dear?
टीचर हमें कब सबमिट कराना है?
You have a 1 week time before the next class. You must have to submit your homework. I will write down everything. G, university. Okay, any question? Hurry up, I'm waiting for your questions. Danish?
Sir, we have
No, miss.
Want to ask any questions?
no question. Teacher, we have to submit in university.
Yes, you have to use portal for messaging, and you also have to use portal for submitting your homework. I will upload your homework just after your class, and then you can easily respond
Oh, miss.
over there. Okay? You just complete your
Hello.
work in your computer,
Hello.
take a picture, and you can submit it by your portal. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Any else?
Okay.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Any else question, beta?
Miss Nita.
आपको समझ आया? No question? Okay. Okay. Don't forget to show your merge cell and your ref text and your body options in your table. Okay. मुझे ref text भी देखना है, merge cell भी देखना है, color भी change देखना है, border का. Okay. And you must have to. Okay, you must have to submit it in your software. Don't forget. Message me in the WhatsApp group. I would really appreciate if you submit it in the software. Okay? It is mandatory to use your software. Understand?
Miss.
Okay, dear. Thank you for your time. And hope you enjoyed and learned your class. Learned by your class. Bye.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
teacher.